Samantha Balaban, NPR News. This is Weekend Edition from NPR News. Happy holidays. Scott Simon returns next week. I'm Sasha White. Support for NPR comes from this station and from Merrill. Merrill Edge self-directed investing has tools to help clients find answers to questions. More at merrilledge.com/withinreach. Merrill Lynch, Pierce, Fenner & Smith Incorporated, registered broker-dealer. And from Noon, a personalized program based in psychology to help people understand their motivations, change their habits, and lead healthier lives. Learn more at Noom, NOOM.com.
President Obama looks at me and he says, "Oh, how's it going, David?" I had exactly one thought in that moment. I did not realize we were going to have to answer questions.
Join us next time for more True Stories Told Live. This week, stories about being called to serve. That's the Moth Radio Hour from PRX.
Tonight at 6, here on WJCT News 89.9.
Need more British in your life? WJCT is offering Dreadlocks and PBS Passport for $14.90 a month. Binge the very best of drama and comedy programming they have to offer. Sign up today at jacksbundle.com.
I'm Robert Johnson, the BBK. From Stevie Ray Vaughan to Harry Connick Jr. The best in classic and modern blues can be found on Blues Horizon every Sunday night at 7 on WJCT 89.9 HBC.
This is WJCT News 89.9 Jacksonville, broadcasting from Florida's Palm Coast to Georgia's Golden Isles. Listen anywhere, anytime on our app or at WJCT.org.
From NPR and WBEZ Chicago, this is Wait, Wait, Don't Tell Me, NPR News Quiz. I'm Bill Curtis.
And I'm Peter Sagal. It's the most wonderful time of the year, which for some people means family and fellowship, but for us means we get to go back and listen to some of our favorite things from the year. Chats with Titus Burgess and Don Cheadle, plus some material we've never shared with you until the Christmas spirit came upon us. All that plus Bill responds to the neighborhood children, asking them to dress up as Anchorman Santa.
Give me a break.
It's your chance to take a break with our quiz coming up right after this hour's news.
Live from NPR News in Washington, I'm Amy Held. Downtown streets in Nashville are closed today as officials seek answers in a probe into a massive Christmas morning explosion. Blake Farmer of member station WPLN reports the blast could be heard more than 10 miles away.
Security and police cameras cover basically every part of this tourist area of downtown Nashville where the blast occurred, so they have clear shots of the RV from several hours before it was parked. They have warning bystanders it would explode, giving police time to clear out residents. Nashville Police Chief John Drake says so much remains unexplained, starting with the motive.
Why Christmas morning, we have no idea. It was a total surprise.
The damage to the buildings was extensive, including an AT&T transmission center that has had far-reaching effects for cell and internet service, including 911 service for hundreds of miles around. Though there were only minor injuries so far, investigators have found possible human remains near the scene. It's not confirmed whether they might be from the suspect. For NPR News, I'm Blake Farmer.
President Trump is spending Christmas weekend at his Florida Golf Club after throwing a wrench into efforts to provide coronavirus relief and keep the government operating. The bill has been flown down to Mar-a-Lago as well. Meantime, NPR's Giles Snyder reports millions of Americans have at least temporarily lost their jobless benefits.
The extended unemployment benefits expired overnight, meaning some 14 million Americans have lost them, at least in the short term. President Trump could still sign